In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from Xiaomi to PC with USB. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By using a standard USB cable, you will be able to connect your Xiaomi phone to a PC or a laptop and transfer over any files. So this is going to be the most convenient way to make backups, to save all of the data on your phone, and to transfer over any documents, videos, and so on that you might have on your phone's storage. So you can use the USB cable that was included with your device. So if there is a standard charging cable, all that you have to do is plug one end into the PC or laptop and the other one into the Xiaomi device. So usually this is going to be USB-C plugged into the Xiaomi device and USB-A plugged into the PC or laptop. But if you have USB-C to USB-C, that is also going to work completely fine, and it might even give you faster speeds, so use whichever port you have available on your PC or laptop. Once you have the connection established between the Xiaomi phone and the PC, there isn't anything else to do. Usually, there will be a pop-up on the Xiaomi phone asking you if you want to allow this connection, and of course, all that you have to do now is tap yes to allow the files to be transferred, and with this done, you are good to go. If you go into File Explorer, for example, under this PC, you should see the Xiaomi phone appear here. So immediately upon going inside of the Xiaomi's phone storage, you will see all of the folders containing your photos, videos, documents, music, and so on. And you can drag them from the Xiaomi phone into the PC or vice versa, whatever you prefer. All of the changes will take effect immediately, and you can safely remove your phone from your PC once you are done. The charging cable that is included with your device will be enough to get this connection done. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer files from Xiaomi to PC with USB. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.